Yeah.
Quad.
Hold on.
He's not here yet.
Oh, I forgot your note cards.
Can you see the three heads?
Yeah.
Okay, she can see the three of you, so that's all that matters. Oh, okay, just tell me when.
And it's 4 minutes, you said?
Yep.
Okay.
You're okay. I know, I gotta stop. I'm not looking at you guys. I'm looking at the wall.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Go.
Hello. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to talk about Colorado and why it is one of the most amazing states to visit. First we have Estes Park, Telluride, and Colorado Springs. Estes Park is located about 2 hours northwest of Denver. Then we have Telluride, which is located about 5 to 6 hours southwest of Denver. And then we have Colorado Springs, about 2 hours south of Denver. So many people may wonder why Colorado? Well, Colorado has 365 days of sunshine. No matter what month or week, there's always a speck of sunshine. I've lived here for 20 years, and I think that these three places are definitely the most amazing places to visit because of the scenic views, amazing food, and great places to visit. First, let's start with Estes Park. In Estes Park, we have the Stanley Hotel, which is right here. It is one of the top haunted hotels in America, and many of you may know it because of The Shining, written by Stephen King. Stephen King stayed there in 1977 and experienced some pretty creepy things and put it within his book, which is a very well-known book. Then we have Oscar Stanley and his wife Flora, which many of you may not know, but Oscar Stanley came here in 1903 because he had tuberculosis, and he was not looking for a hotel location. He was just looking for somewhere to get better. So he nestled down in Estes Park, right where this hotel is located, and he told his wife that this is one of the greatest places and it's a perfect place to make a hotel. So him and his wife created the hotel, and it's still standing there. You can go there for nightly stays, nightly visits. You can also go there for the haunted tours, and they also have a maze that you can go through, which is also seen in The Shining. Another great place in Estes Park is that they have the Elk Festival, which you can see right here. The elk actually come up right next to you, which is super cool because it's like a family fun activity. It's called the elk rut, which means that all the elk come down for mating season, and they're bugling, they're trying to find their partner, and so they come down to the town, and there's a huge festival that goes on, super family fun activity with cuisine, jewelry, and art. There's a bunch of tents set up, and there's a ton of kids activities and adult activities. The best time to visit will probably be on a Saturday because that's when it's the most busiest. So enough of Estes Park, let's move on to Telluride. Telluride's located 5 to 6 hours southwest of Denver. First we have Brattleville Falls, which is right here. It's one of the main waterfalls in Telluride, excuse me. It's about a 1.8 mile hike, or you can drive up if you'd like. I think that hiking is better, so I would like to hike up it. There's a house right here, and then next we have Bear Creek Falls, which is a 4.5 mile hike. It's nestled down in downtown Telluride. There's a huge waterfall right on the backdrop, which I think they should warn you that you need a rain jacket because it's very cold. I went there in the summertime and it was freezing up there. Another super cool trait about Telluride is that they have the gondola, which is completely free. It is a 13-mile round trip, and it is one of the world's best in North America. Another super cool trait about Telluride is that there's no chain food or retail places, so anything you get in Telluride and see in Telluride is going to be located just in Telluride. Then we're going to talk about Colorado Springs, which is my hometown. First we have the Manitou Incline, which is something everybody should experience. It's only a 1 mile hike, but because it is a 2,000 foot elevation gain and 2,000 steps, it's one of the top rated hikes in Colorado. Then we have Garden of the Gods, which is a natural landmark, and it's super cool because you can hike and drive through it, and they're massive, large red rocks